try something new, and I'm loving it. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, for the very first time, we are doing a crochet with loose hair, like the original regular crochet. So if you're not new to my channel, then you know that I do a lot of protective styles, and the method that I use is the rubber band crochet method for spring twists, passion twists, faux locks, passion braids, all of the above. But today we are using this water wave hair from Totyotress, and I'm impressed, absolutely impressed. I'm gonna give you a quick 360, and then we're gonna get into all the details. So I'm not gonna lie, this style was definitely a learning curve. I did watch several YouTube videos, and watching them, I was like, I got this, piece of cake, no worries. And then I started, and I'm like, the girls made it look so easy. But we're here, so clearly we figured it out. We did okay. So I don't know how to French braid. So underneath this beautiful hair is flat twists that I just pinned up in the back, and I will show you that once we get to the styling portion. However, it was a little bit of struggle at first, not gonna lie at all. But once I got the hang of it, it was definitely a piece of cake. So again, we use the Totyotress, I said water wave, Totyotress Beach Curl 8-inch, and this is a new color. This is the P4 350. This pack, it comes with 8 packs. I have 2 full packs left, and then I have 2 or 3 pieces out of one other pack. So I used about 5.5 packs because I did mess up with a few of them. So I used about 5.5 packs. It comes with 8 packs, so plenty enough for a full head. So this is what the curl looks like out of the package. So there's just the natural color, and then there's the color with the blend. Absolutely love the little pop of color. Just makes the style look so much better to me. Let me know what you think in the comment section below about this color. Would you rock it or not? So I started out with just securing the hair with just 1 knot, but I quickly learned that that does not do the trick. So you definitely do have to double knot, sometimes triple knot, in order to make sure that the crochet hair is secure around your hair. also learned that you don't pull the hair all the way through. You keep that loop there and you secure the first knot with the loop instead of trying to tie it from the beginning. You'll see a little bit later on in the video. And as you can see, those knots were so loose, so I had to figure it out. So this is where I stopped pulling the hair all the way through and I used that loop to tie the first knot, and I secured it about 2, sometimes 3 times. In the back, I inserted the entire piece of crochet hair, but in the front, I did split the hair in half before installing it. So again, these final results, I'm absolutely impressed with this beach curl hair from Totyotress. I will link the information in the description box where you can purchase this hair. So make sure that you check this out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope I've inspired you to try a new look. If you've tried this style before, let me know in the comment section below. If you plan on trying this style, let me know in the comment section below. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.